We're going to show you how to roll these perfectly wrapped burritos.
Yeah, let's get some real talk with the burrito game here. So when you start wrapping your burrito, you always want to get as close of like a, I guess, you're filling in a tube-like structure, so that way it's easier for you to roll with. But when you start, a lot of people will just roll straight flat down the middle, and they'll start with the sides. And the best way to wrap is actually to start with a slight V. You see this V-type shape here? And it's almost like a snake head that you're kind of forming. When you pull it into the sides, you want to try and make everything kind of flat and fat. And then you take this other portion, you know, the bottom part of the roll, and you use that to pull the filling back into like one nice little bunch. And what you end up with is a little bit of excess here on both sides. So then you take your next portion of the roll, fold that in on both sides. And as you can see, you're starting to form a little bit of a V-like structure as well. And then roll. And what you have is a burrito that is tightly wrapped on both corners, so nothing falls out when you actually reheat and start to eat again.
Awesome. Now you work at Chipotle.